With more than 360 species of hummingbird throughout the American continents, competition for feeding rights is rife. Such mid-air acrobatics aren't seen in any other bird. The hummingbird's immense maneuverability and speed has long interested the scientific world. Engineers at Stanford University in California have found that certain species' wings are 27% more efficient than helicopter blades, which could now influence future design. It turns out that a specific ratio of wing length to width, fine-tuned via 42 million years of natural selection, was the secret all along.